Hey, what's up? This is Tech Brother. In this video I want to talk about performance of UMIDIGI S2. It's new full screen or bezel-less smartphone, whatever you want. It comes with 6-inch display with minimum bezels on right and left side. Overall, the display occupies 91% on front panel. It's really amazing. However, this video is about performance. You can watch design and other features of smartphone in my previous video by the link in description. Let's start with specification and then you can see benchmark and gaming. UMIDIGI S2 is equipped with 64-bit chipset MediaTek Helio P20. The maximum frequency of 8 cores can reach 2.3 GHz. The integrated graphic chip Lite 880 MP2 is responsible for graphics processing with a maximum frequency of 900 MHz. Helio P20 is a fairly powerful and energy-efficient chipset. Its performance is enough to play 4K videos, run resource-intensive games. Thanks to a fast 4GB of RAM operating in dual-channel mode. UMIDIGI S2 provides high-speed and excellent multitasking performance. Also, there is a 64GB of internal memory. This is not enough for most users. In addition, if necessary, the storage capacity can be expanded with microSD memory card up to 256 GB. Now let's see benchmark results. In AnTuTu test, the smartphone has about 61,000 points. It could result for mid-range smartphone under $230. GeekBench 4 allows to see graphics capabilities. UMIDIGI S2 receives 474 points in single-core test and 83 points in multi-core test. For comparison, Xiaomi Mi A1 with same price tag but on Snapdragon 625 has about 870 points in single-core test and 3300 in multi-core test. So smartphone has almost the same performance. At the last test, 3D Mark slides showed extreme test. Here is 631 points. UMIDIGI S2 looks good in benchmark, but what about real performance? Let's play some games and see it. After each game I will check the temperature, so you can see how warm is smartphone. As usual, I want to start with Mortal Kombat X. It's a fighting game with good graphics. The controls are very simple, but smooth and fast performance is still important. As you can see, UMIDIGI S2 will do with this game. I don't notice any problems. Now let's see the temperature. I should say that acceptable temperature during game is up to 45 degrees. UMIDIGI S2 is about 35 degrees. The next game is Asphalt 8. Unlike the first game, here's control plays an important role. If you have any lags and breaks, you can lose the race. Fortunately, UMIDIGI S2 doesn't have such problems. Graphic is great. FPS is about 30. Everything works nice and smooth. Once again, check the temperature. It's okay, about 40 degrees. The last game is Modern Combat 5, shooting games from third person with good graphic and interesting story. I can say that UMIDIGI S2 is a great smartphone to play such games. You have big display and powerful hardware. The temperature is normal. Application says that it's about 40 degrees. I don't notice any heat from smartphone. So, if you play these games, then you can play any games on your smartphone. By the way, you can comment below which game I need to play while testing performance of next smartphone. UMIDIGI S2 is really good mid-range smartphone. It has beautiful full-screen design, big 6-inch display and powerful hardware as for $230. Of course, the main feature of UMIDIGI S2 is design and display, but you can also play any games on this smartphone. Thanks for watching. In the description you can find links where to buy smartphone cheaper. My next video is about camera of UMIDIGI S2. Subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.